Ooh, I'm looking like a whole damn latte over here. Pumpkin spice. I'm looking like, ooh, something. What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this affordable fall makeup look. You guys, I am excited again, sis. Like, we back with the fall makeup looks. I am super excited, and I feel like every look, it gets more and more and more fallish. I'm loving it. I feel like I'm looking like a whole damn latte over here, sis. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. But before we jump into it, if you are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. And make sure you hit that notification bell, sis, so you won't miss any more of my uploads. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So of course, the eyebrows and the eyelids are already primed. We're gonna go ahead and start with the eyes today, you guys. I'm going to be using the Juvias Place Warrior palette. You guys, this palette is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it has pretty much everything you need in here for an everyday or neutral makeup look. So I'm actually going to a wedding. By the time you guys see this video, I have already went to the wedding. So I'm basically trying to create a super cute eye makeup look and lip for the wedding and for my dress, etc., sis, so I can be kind of fine or whatever. Y'all already know. So if I can find the brush that I'm looking for. Okay, so yeah, we'll go with this one. So I'm just using the Morphe M40 441. Yeah, so this is like the perfect palette, and I believe I'm also going to be taking this palette with me because I love this palette. You know what, we're gonna use a different brush. We're going to use the R39. So I'm going in with this shade right here, which is called Cano. And I use it every time that I use this palette. A beautiful, beautiful brown shade. And we're going to focus this color in our transition area. So right above the lid is where we're going to focus this color. And we're also going to blend it out to the outer corner as well. And I love this brush, you guys, because you can literally use this to pack and to blend your eyeshadow. And I love these shadows, you guys. I literally could have already done my face and then just did my eyes because this palette literally leaves no fallout. Any of the Juvias Place eyeshadows. As a matter of fact, I just changed my whole look, my whole plans with this look just that quick. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and apply this color all over the lid. Like, this color has literally made me want a very neutral makeup look, like just very neutral, very smoky. So we're gonna go ahead and just apply this color all over the lid. I just switched up on y'all real quick. Y'all better be ready because I be switching up in a good way, in a good way. And you guys, we're gonna go ahead and do a wing. So I just grabbed my Maybelline Hyper Easy tip eyeliner brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a wing liner. So now that the eyes are pretty much complete, we're just going to go ahead and pop on lashes. And for lashes, we're going super bold, super dramatic, sis. And I'm going to be using the Aliexpress E11 lashes. Lashes are on. Moving on to the face. For primer, I'm just going to be using my Covergirl Base Business True Blend Pore Minimizing Primer. That was a mouthful. Whoa. I hear a lot of people say like they don't know whether primer does anything or they don't really use primer. I think that's become a trend, like not really using primer. Honestly, I pretty much always use primer. I can't really say whether it works or not either. I just pretty much use it. But I don't use primer how people normally use it, like all over their face. I just kind of stick it to pretty much where I need it. And I also get like asked a lot of questions like, oh, why don't you put foundation on a lot of foundation on your forehead, or sometimes even at all. And the reason why I don't is because I don't really need it on my forehead, because clearly most of my forehead is covered up with my bangs. So I do like apply like powder and stuff like that on my forehead, but I don't want to go too crazy with the products and then makeup is all in my hair. I already get enough makeup in my hair as it is, so look sis. So moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me 355 Coconut. You guys, I enjoyed using this foundation so much in my last video. And I actually wore that makeup throughout the day. And I was just around the house like doing some household things, cleaning up and stuff like that. And it wore really, 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 really nice. It wore nice. So I was like, you know what? Let's bring her back out. Only thing I hate, like I told you guys in my last video, is that sometimes this foundation can be super duper messy because it doesn't have a pump. So now that the foundation is laid and on sis, we're going to go ahead and move on to concealer. You guys, I still have been struggling to use all this concealer, so I'm trying to use it all. This is just the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And then to set everything, I'm just using this black Opal setting powder. But before we do that, real quick, I'm just going to go back in with my foundation brush just to kind of blend out the concealer and where the foundation meets, just to make sure everything is married together. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my entire face. Of course, y'all know what I'm using. I get asked about this powder so much. I keep saying, I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try something different, but I never try anything different. Sometimes it's just best to stick to what you know and what you know works. Because I do have smile lines, and some powders can really emphasize them. So that's one main reason why I stick to this powder, because it doesn't emphasize my smile lines. And also, I've got my fair share, and I've had enough of trying new products, you guys, because at a point in time, I was trying so much new stuff. My face was breaking out. Now, I'm very, very careful, and I really am into ingredients. I can't even talk about what's in products before I actually just smother them all over my face. Foundation and skincare. Like, I can't be having my skin looking crazy. Like, I'm done with the crazy skin days. And we're gonna go ahead and get this nose snatched up, sis, real quick. And that eyeshadow just blends, it just meshes right into this contour color. Then of course I just take my sponge and we just blend that right on out. That eyeshadow just meshes right along with this contour shade. Like, it's just gorgeous. Right up in this area, gorgeous, sis. Let me make sure I'm looking good. Okay, I'm looking kind of good. Alright, so we're gonna move on. Let's go ahead and finish up the eyes. So, let's see. I don't want to use too big of a brush. Let's just use this brush right here. Going back into the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to go ahead and take the same shade that we used, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my waterline and just kind of like smoke it out. Hopefully it kind of shows up, because it's almost my skin tone. And I'm actually applying this a little bit below my waterline, not in it, because I really want it to show. Okay, so that showed up a little bit. That's cute. Really cute. So I normally, y'all know I keep my waterline very plain Jane, very simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take some of my Maybelline mascara. For some reason I haven't been loving this mascara. Like, I don't know if it's like too wet lately, or I don't know. But I'm gonna apply some to my top lashes just to make sure everything blends and super dark. And then I'm gonna do my bottom lashes as well. For blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Juvias Saharan 2 palette. You guys, I put my Saharan 1 in my makeup kit, but I really want to buy me another one for personal use because I feel like these colors are just a little bit too light for me. Like, I feel like they're beautiful colors, like, but they're just too cool undertone. I think this is like the only one that I really wear. The other ones are just too like cool for me. I like those rich, not super rich, but you know, blushes that go well with my skin tone. But this blush is gorgeous. This peach one is beautiful. I feel like orange blushes look really good on black women in deeper skin tones, and just women of color in general. Like an orange blush, like if you're lighter, maybe something like this, a peachy blush. If you're chocolate, the orange blush in the Juvias Saharan 1 palette. And if you're eating chocolate and that, sis, get you some good blushes from MAC. Oh my gosh, girl, stick with that peachy orange. And those are the blushes I normally go for, like something peachy, something kind of orange. And then I also like a berry blush, something kind of like this, but a little bit darker, if you will, like a raisin kind of blush. So those are my favorite colors. This one is really pretty. I should use this more often. Okay, moving on to highlighter. I am going to use, did I get highlighter? Yes, here it is right here. So I'm just using this Wet n Wild loose highlighter, and this one's in the shade Hustle and Glow. And I'm just using a little bit, basically whatever's in the top, because I have been wanting highlighter a little since it's beginning to cool down, but still nothing too crazy. I remember when highlighter first came out, oh my gosh, I can't talk. Like, we were definitely overdoing it. Like, we were doing way too much. See, now it's time to calm down, sis. See, we were doing too much, but you know, now we're kind of bringing it down a little bit, because it was never that serious, because we were not playing. Okay, so let me go ahead and fill in my mold, and then we're gonna go ahead and hop into, if I can put the top on this, hop into lips. This is not the eyeliner, I meant the liner that I really wanted to use, but my liner is at my man's house, so that I wanted to use, so we're gonna have to just use this one. This is Colourpop BFF4, by the way. And I did fill in my lips a little bit more than usual. This is actually really pretty, just like this. But y'all know I be doing too much. So we're gonna go ahead and use this Colourpop liquid lipstick. I think this is a satin. I don't even know if they still sell these, you guys. I have not ordered from Colourpop and I don't know how long. But this is in the shade Tansy. Yeah. And it's like, you guys can see it's just a little bit lighter than the liner. Actually, this liner goes perfect. The other one is super dark and chocolate. It might have been too dark. Ooh, I'm looking like a whole damn latte over here. Pumpkin spice. I'm looking like, ooh, something. So we're gonna go ahead and, of course I would leave it like this, but y'all know I love me a good gloss. Should I leave it like this, y'all, or what? I wish y'all would lie so y'all can tell me what to do. So I had bought this, you guys, maybe I don't know how long ago, a year ago. You know, we're not judging on this channel, but I feel like I need to use it. Yeah, I need to use it. And plus I love the e.l.f. glosses anyway. It has 3 lip lacquers and then 2 lip plumping glosses. I'm thinking about using this beautiful chocolate shade, her right there. This actually came out like, I think last year for the holidays, and I still haven't used it yet, so might as well use it. Y'all, I be having so much makeup. Like, I literally, if it's somebody's birthday, I literally could go shopping in my makeup collection and get them a whole damn face. Do you hear me? Like, I've got to be put to a stop. Ooh, do I want to keep this matte? Because this is giving me vibes. Oh, I wanted to use this so bad, but I definitely think I should keep this matte. I really think we should go and keep this matte, sis. Because this is looking good. Good. I mean, it's the lips for me. Serving up looks. Alright, you guys, so this is pretty much the final finished look. I'm over here looking like a damn latte, looking yummy. I don't know, like, what is this? But anyways, if you guys enjoyed these natural and affordable makeup looks, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, sis, what do you keep waiting for? You keep on coming back, you keep on looking, you keep on lurking and watching. Subscribe. Go ahead and smash that button and become a part of the gang. Y'all be blessed, stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video.